This is the best way to swap on chain. You will get the best rate that you can in the market. Sounds pretty good? Let's get straight to it. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajaha. I am someone who does a lot of transactions on chain. I use pretty much as many different decentralized exchanges as I possibly can, but I think I have found the best one around, and it is Defillama's actually in-house meta aggregator. And essentially Defillama, again, make incredible products for research, but they've basically created this aggregator of aggregators. So essentially what they've done is they've created this front end that basically queries a variety of different aggregators. And for those of you who don't know, an aggregator is basically an exchange that looks at a variety of decentralized exchanges and kind of gives you the best price. Well, this is an aggregator of those aggregators. I believe there's around 8 of them, and it includes some of the big ones like 1inch, CowSwap, etc. And there's a variety of chains. I believe there's 22 chains here that you can basically interact with and basically do your swaps directly via their front end. Defillama also don't take any fees, and you can see that directly here. 0 fees on swap. So yeah, all it is a front end that basically covers or queries all of the other aggregators, and so you're not exposed to any additional smart contract risk other than the contract that you're interacting with. And it's very, very simple. You just connect your wallet. Let's say you've got 1 ETH and you wanted to buy, I don't know, Lido, for example. Yeah, all you would do is enter this, and you can see on the side you'll see all the different aggregators like CowSwap, KyberSwap, 1inch, Matcha, and it will kind of tell you kind of the best. It will tell you the gas fees or the estimated gas fees as well, kind of tell you how much you're going to get, and I think this is fantastic. And the thing is, if you were to compare this to let's say Uniswap, I mean, let's just have a look right now. So we've got 1 ETH getting 740.6 Lido. Let's go 1 ETH Lido. Bet is going to be lower. Let's have a look. 737. So look, you're going to get a bit of a better rate here, and that's because you're using an aggregator, and here you're using an aggregator of aggregators, and that's fantastic because, like I said, you get the best rate. It's free to use, no extra fees, no additional smart contract risk. Look, the product is still in beta, so if you do get any issues, just let them know in the Discord server, and hopefully Defillama continue their amazing work. This is a fantastic product. It's the one that I'm using at the moment. Have a play around, let me know your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel, and of course I'll be back with plenty more content in the near future.